Hello students, today I am there before you again with another revision video of chapter number 2, The Tiger King of the book Vistas. You have already read this chapter and you know the story of this chapter already, but to make this chapter more clear I am going to teach you the brief summary of this chapter. So watch this video carefully, and after watching this video you will have to read the chapter thoroughly to make it more clear. Okay, so let's start teaching you the brief summary of this chapter. Sir Jillani Jung Bahadur was known as the Tiger King in his kingdom. Why he was known as the Tiger King? Because he thought that I am the king of the tigers and I am going to kill 100 tigers in my life, and he had killed 100 tigers. What happened after that? When he was born, astrologers came in the palace and predicted that the child's death would come from a tiger. At this, the child, who was only 10 days old, spoke up. That was a matter of surprise for everyone present in the palace, that how can a 10 days old child speak up? But he spoke up and said, let the tigers beware. I am not going to kill the tigers. Tigers are not going to kill me. I am going to kill the tigers. So he was born and brought up as the king in his palace. He always drank the milk of an English cow. An English tutor would come in his palace to teach him. So when he was mature enough to kill the tigers, to hunt the tigers, he banned the tiger hunting in his palace and he started killing the tigers. He had killed 70 tigers, but to complete his target, 30 tigers were still remaining. So what did he do after that? He wanted to get married. He took the decision that he would get married with the queen, in her kingdom the tigers must be there. So he had found the girl and he got married, and he started going in his father-in-law's kingdom also to hunt the tigers. So now he has killed all the tigers in his father-in-law's kingdom also, and now he had killed 99 tigers. One tiger was still left to complete his target. What did he do? The people who were working with him, the minister who was working with him, he brought a very old tiger from the zoo to complete the tiger of the Tiger King, to complete the target of the Tiger King. Now the Tiger King was so happy to see the last tiger to complete his target, and he just shot the tiger. But the bullet missed it and it did not hit the tiger. What happened after that? The tiger was still alive. He could not hunt the tiger, he could not kill the tiger. So the people who were working with the prince, they got afraid, and they thought that if they would inform this thing to the tiger, he would punish him, or he would kill him. That's why he shot the tiger, and the tiger was dead on the spot. What happened after that? Now he was so happy to see that yes, I have completed my target, and he wanted to prove the astrologers wrong, that tigers will not kill me, I will kill the tigers. And according to him, he had done the same. But the thing was not like that. So he wanted to gift something very special to his son on his birthday. So he went to the market, but he did not find a special gift for his son. But at last he found a wooden tiger for his son. But the wooden tiger was not properly built, but he liked that tiger and he bought that tiger for his son. So when he was playing with his son, with that wooden tiger, a nail pierced his finger, and it spread the poison in his body. And due to spreading the poison, he died, and his aim was incompleted. And astrologers proved correct. Astrologers were right that his death would come from the tiger. But he was not ready to accept this truth. It was a bitter truth. Death is the bitter truth that it will come in everybody's life. But he was becoming overconfident that nobody could kill me. But at last the tiger killed the king, and he was killed by the tiger. That was the summary of this chapter that was written in this chapter. But to make it more clear and to understand it more properly, because I cannot make this video too large, you can understand this thing, so you will have to read the chapter thoroughly. Still, if you feel any problem, any doubt, you may call me or text me anytime. I'll help you for that. And the students who are not understanding this and who are not getting the points correctly, they can tell me. I'll make a separate video for them. Okay? All the best. Read the chapter thoroughly and prepare yourself for the assignment also. All the best.